Welcome to this amazing property in Aluthgama, just a stone's throw away from the Cysand Hotel. This beautiful house offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Let's take a look at the property details. This house features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 well-appointed bathrooms, providing ample space for a comfortable living experience. Sitting on an 18-perch land, this property boasts all essential infrastructure facilities, including pipe-borne water, electricity, and a wide access road. It's perfectly situated for a hassle-free lifestyle. Convenience is key. This property is conveniently located just 100 meters away from Aluthgama town and falls within the school limits. It's also close to essential amenities like Sampath Bank, a petrol shed, and just a short distance from the stunning Cysand Hotel. Additionally, this house features a guest room with an attached bathroom, providing extra space for visitors. And the best part? The price is just 390 lakhs, and it's negotiable. You can discuss the price after inspecting this wonderful property. If you're interested in this fantastic investment opportunity, contact the property owners at +94,777,734,870 to schedule a visit and get more details. Don't miss out on being a part of one of the best investments for the future. Act now and secure your dream home in Aluthgama.